Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We from Group 5 want to create an English project with the name of the group is
My name is Muhammad Nawfal Kriji.
My name is Hapan Jinantidia.
My name is Jantia Kimo Ramadan.
My name is Resya Mutiasari. Informatics subject is fun but dizzy if you don't understand it. Back then, we learned to calculate heat using shortcutting techniques. We think that it was default at the time because we didn't understand the techniques of shortcutting. Then we looked it up on the internet for shortcutting techniques, and then we put into practice on our laptops. We finally did, and it felt so good. In addition to creating the letterhead, at the time we were given the task of filling out a file with a given formula. Then we were working the night before school tomorrow because we were curious about how to do it. Then we found off the internet the function of the formula that was given out by the teacher. When we finally found it, we copied this material and put it on our Notepad app. Therefore, we were able to do the next day's work because we know the formula.
PPLG lesson is fun and it is related to computers or software learning. And this lesson is taught every day by M. Erdian, who is a very keen and friendly teacher. We are taught the basic of how to use a computer, namely how to create flow charts in a business, ERD diagram, use case diagram, determine key attributes, as well as how to code. We already understand a little about how to create business process using a flowchart system. During our first semester for this lesson was very fun, although it was quite difficult. During practice we were carried out in the computer lab room. The practices that were taught in this lesson were steps to create flowcharts, ERD diagram, use case diagram, and attribute case. The part that was complicated about this lesson was we have to memorize all the symbols. For example, symbol starts and process decision input, output, and others. This lesson also taught use basic coding techniques such as creating tables by coding. Thus, it was the difficult part for this lesson was we have to be careful in coding, even making the silliest mistake.
German lessons are really fun. The teacher is very kind and friendly. I learned how big vocabulary, and I was also taught how to make acquaintance in Dutch, say goodbye in Dutch, ask about news in Dutch, and get to know the day in learning Dutch. It's very exciting because it is easy to understand. Dutch is something difficult to pronounce, but I am excited because it's new experience apart from learning English. Something every time I learn Germany German teacher often give quizzes to get to know Dutch better. Sometimes the Dutch teacher also explain Dutch culture and place in German. One of the places in Germany that I really want to visit is Munich and Berlin. That's why I'm really excited to learn Dutch so I can go to Germany. Apart from trying, I also practice speaking Dutch at that time. I was invited to chat with a Dutch teacher. In Dutch, at first I was shy and afraid of making mistakes, but my teacher was very pointed in teaching me grammar. I started to find it easier and listen afraid of making mistakes. Actions like this make me even more enthusiastic about learning Dutch. I become more confident that if keep practicing, I can speak Dutch fluently.
Japanese lessons are really fun. In the past, I learned how to write hiragana and katakana, which turned out to be somewhat easy yet challenging. I was also taught some commonly used words and parts, like konnichiwa for greeting and arigato for thank you. In addition, I learned how to construct sentences using the particles wa and des. The most exciting part is that I learned a lot about Japanese culture, such as how they speak and behave. This lesson makes me even more interested in Japan. When I was learning Japanese, I practiced reading hiragana and katakana. My teacher taught me slowly. Then I was asked to copy the characters. At first, it was really hard because the letters look similar, so I often made mistakes. Sometimes I get tired too, but I kept trying so I can do it. When I finally succeed at reading incorrectly, I am really happy. Even though it's difficult, I become more serious to learn again. It feels exciting because I feel like I'm learning something new.
Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi